figured out what I want to film. It's a technique that I really enjoy and makes a really big impact for minimal effort. Let's take a look. You're gonna need a canvas, watercolor paints, a rag, a few paintbrushes, water, black paint in matte or metallic. We're not doing anything high level here, we're just introducing ourselves. Wet your palette. Generally on watercolor paper, and even this stuff, you're going to want to pre-wet it. But I'm going to use a dry surface. I know, I'm going crazy right out of the gate. But it's going to give some different effects when we're done. If you want to see a proper watercolor artist, go find them. They're really amazing. Hopefully, I'll put one on the screen now. I love rainbow colors. I love them bright, they're vivid, they're beautiful. And spread that around. It really doesn't matter. Grab another color and just spread that around. Get some bright yellow in there. Whatever color you put near or with yellow is going to take over the space of yellow. Don't forget to wrap your edges. And here we are with the finished dry painting. It is definitely not 3 days later. We are going to make a silhouette of whatever. And I have decided to go with Color Shot, the dark pewter. If you erase any mistakes, you are going to erase the watercolor. And so I try not to. I do like this eraser. It has dinosaurs, which is what inspired me to choose a dinosaur. My favorite dinosaur is Pachycephalosaurus. They are literal butt heads. Look it up. So I'm going to sketch something out pretty lightly. Alright, is he cute in the traditional sense? Meh. But does he look like he wants to be your best friend? Of course. Let's paint him. Brush in, bring it back down, up, down, and then you do this. Switch hands. And you pull it. And there it is, all finished up in this very shiny Giga Chizilla. And there it is on display. Sunshine approved, Johnny approved. What else? What do you want to see? Let me know. Really, let me know. I need some ideas.